Hold on.
And you know how we do it? Hey, it's your boy Black Prodigy, nigga. Hey, I'm with the gang, nigga. We finna go to a car meet today, nigga. Do something slight, nigga. You know I had to. I got something light on, nigga. Fear God, something light.
Niggas always spit on me.
Turn up. Oh yeah, let me turn this shit up. Yeah.
And tell them niggas,
I got him.
Damn.
Nigga say he about to tell them niggas. Told them niggas like that.
Yeah. That shit was hard, nigga. That shit was hard now, nigga.
Bucks, 5 golden, flaky, tender, saucy bucks.
That finger looking good.
Okay. You finna go first? I'm finna go first.
You go ahead and spit. Tell them niggas.
At the racetrack. With your girl. In the Maybach. She gonna let me clap. I don't even know what the... Yeah. I'm in the car.
Hey.
With my gang.
Hey.
I'm really hard. Finna let it bang. With my scar. Finna let it hang. Off my neck. Call it a chain. Chain gang. Fucking your bitch, that's a brain gang. Give me head gang. She's telling me, yo. I thought I was gonna slide. I really suck. These niggas keep walking up to these doors. These niggas really dumb as fuck. Bars, nigga. Now I got my son. in the video. My son just pulled up and shit. Then my son. Then my other son. Hey, this nigga Jamal ducked on. Hey, this nigga Jamal ducked on, bro.
Yeah, man, I'm flexing on all these niggas.
And we did.
Niggas that old shit, they gon' vaughn.
That shit tough.
About to record about.
That shit tough. Who the fuck calling my phone? You know how I do. 2 phones or no phones, nigga. 2 phones or no phones, nigga. Come on, nigga, I'm rich. Huh? No, I'm finna get a new one. What the fuck, nigga? Is the door not unlocked? That scat tough. Nigga, we was a scat like in front of me when we was over here. Yo. So? Nigga, ain't. Looking at. I'm finna roast his ass, boy. Look how this nigga parked. He outside. Oh, he parked so ass, bro. Oh my god. You keep doing that jump on and off, bro. I'm finna lift your car up, bro. I'm finna take that nigga car for a ride.
Oh shit.
Damn. What? They almost crashed. He's not working. Do it one more time, dude. Keep on it. Do that shit one more time, bro. Oh shit! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh shit! That's what I'm talking about, David! That's what I'm talking about, nigga! That's what I'm talking about, nigga! That's what I'm talking about! No! King Speed, David! That's what I'm talking about, nigga! Oh shit! You almost died. That's what I'm talking about, nigga.
Yeah, that shit. That nigga just
That's what I'm talking about.
Bro, look how far everybody walked.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
That's all that nigga had to do.
If somebody move their goddamn 100 out the way, we gotta get this shit jumping. What, bro? My light skinned brethren, nigga. My light skinned brethren, bro. It's alright, bro. We gonna get this one fit, though.
Bro, you had to hold
Hey, I ain't gonna hold you. Hold on, mama. I thought you almost died, though.